Hello everyone, welcome back to the Husham YouTube channel. Today we're talking about a huge change coming to Android. Google has officially announced that starting in 2026, installing apps from unknown or unverified sources will no longer be as simple as it used to be. If you sideload apps or use APKs outside the Play Store, this is something you need to know. Check it out. Google is rolling out a new security policy from 2026. Every Android app will need to come from a verified developer in order to run on a certified Android devices. That means if an app comes from an unknown or unverified developer, your phone may block it completely, your Android device will block it completely, your box will block it completely. This is going to be a very bad thing for people who love APKs. Google says that apps downloaded from outside the Play Store are 50 times more likely to contain malware or harmful code. Now I'll be honest, I wouldn't blame them for that because I've seen it happen. I used to work for the company called Droidbox, and when I used to work with Droidbox, we used to see boxes come in to us returned because there was viruses coming in, and we had to fresh install everything from all over again. And now I myself, some of my boxes, when I install them, when I get them, I get sometimes people return stuff to me because they say, well, their boxes are very, very slow. It keeps going in, so I have to format everything, install a new firmware. But even installing new firmware sometimes does not work, so you're gonna have to go in and do it manually. It's a huge security risk. By forcing all developers to verify their identity, Google believes it will make Android safe and reduce scams, spyware, and fake apps. This will not happen overnight. Here's the timeline. So October 2025, early access to the verification process. March 2026, wider rollout to developers. September 2026, first enforcement begins in countries like Brazil, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. From 2027 onwards, the rule will expand to more regions in the world worldwide. I mean, this is step by step. It's not going to be immediately. So if you're outside those first countries, you may have more time, but eventually this will reach every Android device. For most casual users who only download apps from the Google Play Store, well, no changes, whatever. This will not change. In fact, your device will be safer. But for people who sideload apps, this is big deal. Many independent or hobby developers who don't go through the Play Store will need to verify their apps, or else their apps may stop working on certified Android devices. I really have no idea how this is going to work 100%. For stores like Aptoid or other stores like I forgot the name, but there are so many different stores in the Android. How is that going to work for them? It's going to be different because Google is going to force anything that is not Google Play Store app or not been verified by a developer in the Google Play Store will be removed. It's as simple as that. Google is also introducing other protection. For example, you won't be able to sideload an app for the first time while you're on the phone call with an unknown number. So sometimes unknown numbers call you, they're spam, they're viruses. They will tell you, hey, please click here. That's what's going to happen. It's going to be completely stops. Alright, so that's to stop scammers from tricking people into installing malware during fake support calls. Okay, I'll be honest with you, that is a good thing. It's not a really bad thing. That's they're also making it harder for malicious apps to get special permission, like accessibilities, controls. Without utilizing it, it's just going to completely go away. Some people will welcome this change as better security, of course. Others see it as a limitation on freedom. I'll be honest with you. Android has always been known for letting you sideload apps, while Apple iPhones does not. With these changes, some fear Google is slowly locking Android down like Apple. If that happens, this is going to be a problem. It may also make things harder for small developers. So here's the question. Do you think this makes Android safer, or is it taking away user choices? Let me know in the comment below. And if you want to stay updated on big changes like this, don't forget subscribe and check the links on the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye guys.